I think the first one I see with the customers is people, but that's already been discussed, so I won't go there. The next one is typically security, and I think that's very well expected as well. And really the issue with security is depending on what's going to the cloud, it's a different answer. So there's not one single answer for securing my cloud. It's
Email
different.
versus
Infrastructure as a service, is it data, and who owns the data? And if I put the data somewhere else, does that location have access and control of that data? Especially as I look out in the States, it's the same issue, and data sovereignty is clearly critical in a government environment. So that's one of the areas that we have to sit with our customers and talk about all the time is what's going to be our strategy. From a vendor perspective, I again have to go back to what was already brought up. As a cloud service provider, of course, I want to be providing clouds to the federal government, so I have to meet the regulations, of course. But if I go back to the 1990s, there was a real push to go to commercial off-the-shelf products. And the reason why we did that was to get the overall cost of IT down. The more levels of security, the more levels of compliance gets us further away from that commercial off-the-shelf. So I think we have to continuously remind ourselves that. Let me give you some numbers. There's about 16,000 cloud applications out there today. There's about 52 that have FedRAMP compliance. And I believe you just said there was 2 or 3 that are in the DoD. So clearly that's not quite commercial off the shelf. And not that I'm saying it has to be. I don't think everything has to be commercial off the shelf. But we want to be able to have enough competition out there so you get the best price. So it really is on teamwork of the government and industry to figure out how we can get security so that we don't have so much we don't go so far away from commercial off the shelf that you really are just getting a private cloud that someone else is owning and operating for you, and you're paying twice as much as you could do yourself.
Yeah.